Dear guests and partners, good morning. I am Emily Johnson, and it's a great honor to witness this moment with you. Thank you for taking time of your busy schedule to visit our DGPT-AI new product concept, release and strategic plan presentation conference. Today, we will jointly unveil the mystery of a series of innovative technology products and forward-looking strategic planning, and look forward to the new future of DGPT in the global computing network. On this important day, we will share how DGPT provides seamless computing services to global users through innovative and optimized business models, and how the upcoming computing notebooks can help individual users easily enter the computing ecosystem. Today's presentation and discussion will lead us to understand the role of DGPT in driving global technological progress and innovation. So, don't let you wait. Let's welcome Ms. Sarah Thompson, the head of DGPT operations, to the stage. Ms. Sarah will detail for us the do and user planning strategy of DGPT. Please welcome Sarah to the stage with warm applause.
Distinguished guests, good afternoon. Thank you very much for being involved in our new DGPT-AI product concept launch today. I am Operations Coordinator of DGPT, and today I will share with you our strategy and vision for operations and user planning. We will discuss how to provide seamless computing services to our users through innovative and optimized business models, and focus on how the upcoming computing node box will help individual users easily enter the computing ecosystem. First, I want to talk to you about the operation model of DGPT. As a leading distributed computing platform, we have been working over the past few years to meet the growing global demand for computing power through continuous innovation in technology and services. With the development of AI technology, the demand for computing power in various industries is increasing rapidly. Both large and medium-sized enterprises and individual developers need strong computing support to support their products and research. Our business model revolves around the following key points. DGPT adopts a distributed computing power architecture, which not only integrates the idle computer resources around the world, but also realizes the sharing of computing power among users around the world. The distributed architecture makes our system extremely flexible and scalable, and can quickly respond to sudden computing power requirements. At the same time, we have set up multiple data nodes in different regions to ensure that users can enjoy stable and low latency computing power services anywhere in the world. Intelligent scheduling and resource optimization. Our system has embedded a highly intelligent scheduling mechanism which can automatically allocate the most suitable computing resources according to the specific needs of users. This not only improves the utilization rate of resources, but also greatly reduces the cost of computing power for users. At the same time, we introduced a large number of data analysis and optimization algorithms in the background to ensure the reasonable allocation of computing power resources, and continuously improve the operational efficiency through refined management. In DGPT, we always put the user experience first. We constantly optimize the user interaction experience so that users can feel convenient and efficient, both from the interface design of the platform and the service process. Our goal is to make all users, regardless of their technical level, easily start and enjoy the best computing service. This is one of the original intentions of the computing-powered node box. A seamless user experience is an important part of DGPT's operational strategy. We want users to be able to focus on their business and projects without having to focus on complex technical details. Therefore, we have done in-depth optimization in the following aspects. Our platform provides users with a one-step computing power solution. Whether it's AI model training, reasoning, or other high-performance computing requirements, users can select the appropriate computing resources and start the task immediately in just a few simple steps. Our background system will automatically match the best computing power nodes to ensure that the task can be completed in the shortest time. Multi-level service architecture. We provide a multi-level service architecture for different user groups, from individual developers who come first to AI computing to large enterprises that need large-scale computing power support. DGPT is able to provide customized solutions for individual users. Our services are more flexible and economical, helping them across high-quality computing resources at a lower cost. For enterprise users, we provide more powerful computing clusters and long-term resources reserves to ensure that their business goes smoothly. Another key point in all-weather support and monitoring operations is that we provide all-weather technical support and resource monitoring services for all users. Our customer service team is always online to ensure that any problem can be answered quickly. In addition, through the real-time monitoring system in the background, users can check the running status of their tasks at any time to ensure that every point of resource can be maximized. Finally, I would like to share with you our vision for the future. As global AI demand continues to grow, computing power will become an important engine of technological progress. In the next few years, we will continue to optimize our distributed computing platform, expand the global market, and provide more users with convenient, flexible, and efficient computing services. We also plan to continuously upgrade and enrich our products and services. In addition to the computing power node box introduced today, we will also launch more innovative products next year to meet the needs of different user groups. At the same time, we will further promote the development of global computing power ecology through strategic cooperation, technology, research and development, and other efforts. Today's DGPT is not only a computing power platform, but also a leader in the global computing power sharing ecology. Through innovative operation, mode, and technological breakthroughs, we provide users with efficient and low-cost computing power services and open the door for more individual users to participate in the computing power ecology. We believe that DGPT will be an important driving force for the global distributed computing industry in the future, and that every user is an important part of the ecosystem. Thank you for your time and support. I look forward to working with you to promote the prosperity and development of AI and computing ecology in the future. Thank you.
That was awesome. Thank you so much. Distinguished guests, thank you for your stay with us. We have learned from Ms. Sarah about DGPT in operations and user planning, and we will have a new understanding of our computing notebooks and the revolutionary changes it brings to individual users. Next, let's turn an equally exciting area of global marketing strategy and promotion initiatives. Market expansion is critical to the spread of technology, especially in the rapidly growing field of global AI and blockchain technology. Our next speaker will bring about how DGPT uses innovative marketing strategies, not only to break geographical constraints, but also to take our products to new heights. Let me invite Mr. Brian Smith, the marketing leader of DGPT, to share his unique insights into the global marketing strategy. Mr. Brian has rich experience and outstanding achievement in promoting the globalization of the company's products and building international brands. Let's welcome Mr. Brian Smith to the stage with warm applause, please.
Distinguished guests, partners, and friends of the global community. Hello everyone. It's a great honor to share DGPT's strategy and promotion plan in the global market at the DGPT-AI new product concept launch today. Today we are not only launching a product, we are also witnessing the rise of a global innovation system. Witnessing how DGPT breaks regional restrictions, occupies a place in the global market, and provides users with an unparalleled service experience. First, let's look at the global market environment. We are in the midst of an unprecedented AI revolution, and the global demand for independence on AI is growing rapidly. Whether it's a large-scale model training, the construction of smart cities, or autonomous driving, medical image analysis, all of these need powerful computing resources to support. According to industry forecasts, the future AI model will grow to more than 10,000 times of the existing scale, and the demand for computing power will become the core pillar of all industries around the world. However, the global markets are also full of challenges. Different regions differ in their technology base, market demand, policies and regulations, and user habits. How to overcome these barriers and promote our products around the world is a challenge for every technology company. How does DGPT stand out in such a highly competitive environment? Our answer is a collaborative strategy for global markets, diverse partner initiatives, and a deep understanding and emphasis on user experiences. Break down regional barriers are built a global layout in terms of marketing. Our primary task is to break the regional restrictions and achieve global product coverage. DGPT's computing node box will become an important node in the global distributed computing network. Through the global layout strategy, users can enjoy the same efficient and stable computing service in North America, Europe, Asia, or Latin America. In the process of market layout, we adopt the two-wheel drive strategy of localization plus globalization. We will launch a customized promotion strategy according to the characteristics of each market. For example, in the North America and European markets, where the technology is mature, we will pay more attention to the application scenarios and solutions of high-end technologies. In emerging markets such as Southeast Asia and Africa, we will pay more attention to the promotion of inclusive computing service to help local enterprises and individual users enter the AI in blockchain ecosystem at low cost. Infiltrate the global markets through diversifying partner strategies. The success of a global market is dependent on a strong partner ecosystem. At DGPT, we know that market expansion cannot be done alone. We will achieve resource complementarity and market penetration through deep partnerships with the world's leading technology companies, research institutions, investment institutions, and policymakers. We have reached cooperation agreements with several of the world's top technology companies to jointly develop, innovate technologies and product solutions. This collaboration will not only help us quickly adapt to the technical requirements of different markets, but also can further promote the brand influence of DGTP in the global market. In addition, communities are an important part of our marketing strategy. The global community of DGPT will play an irreplaceable role in our marketing promotion. Through community activities, global summits, online and offline users communication activities, we can not only better listen to the voice of users, but also quickly adjust our marketing strategy through their feedback. Flexible marketing strategy and brand building. In terms of marketing, DGPT will adopt flexible promotion strategies to meet the needs of different markets. Our brand building is not only about expanding the influence of our products globally, but also about winning the trust of the market by creating unique user value. In this process, our promotion focus will focus on several core themes: inclusive computing power, promote affordable computing power service around the world, so more users can enjoy high-end computing resources. Ecosystem value. Emphasis on DGPT is not only a computing power service provider, but also a diversified ecosystem allowing users to gain continuous value by participating in this ecosystem. Technology and innovation. We will demonstrate our technological strength and innovation capabilities to the world through a series of marketing activities, including technology conference, industry seminars, partner summits, etc. improve user experience and create differentiated services in the global market competition. The user experience is always the key to our victory. DGPT attaches great importance to user feedback and needs, and we will maintain close interaction with users through multiple channels. No matter in product design, operations service, or after-sales support, DGPT will be user-centered and create a differentiated service experience. To this end, we have launched the Global User Support Program, which not only achieves global synchronization in product delivery, but also provides users 24/7 technical support service, no matter where the user is. Whenever they encounter problems, they can get quick and professional help. Development and cooperation of global communities. Moreover, the development of the global community will be one of the important pillars of our marketing promotion. We will use the power of the community to make more people know and participate in the ecosystem of DGPT through the community reward program, online and offline activities. We will inspire more users to contribute to technology of DGPT and become part of the global computational power network. In this process, we will focus on promoting the development of global communities so that users in different regions can feel the innovation and sincerity of DGPT. By constantly improving the community mechanisms, we can not only expand the scale of users, but also form an organic and sustainable computing power ecological network around the world. Dear friends, the opportunities and challenges of the global market are in front of us. DGPT is moving towards the future with a firm pace. We will promote the global popularization and application of computing power ecology through the global market strategy, a strong network of partners, and a deep user community. Today's press conference marks a new standing point for DGPT global marketing promotion. We firmly believe that with our joint efforts, DGPT will not only occupy a place in the global market, but also become the backbone of the global computing revolution. Thank you very much for your participation and look forward to create a brilliant cooperation with you in the future. Thank you.
That was great. Thank you so much. Great information. Thank you. Distinguished guests, thank you for your stay with us. Today, we have explored how DGPT can improve and expand the reach of the global computing power network through its operational strategy and marketing program. These insights demonstrate how our company can deliver innovative solutions and services to its users worldwide. Now, we will gain insight into the upcoming technological innovations and product developments on the DGPT platforms. To this end, we need to explore from a core perspective that it's our product strategy and technology development route. The next remarks will show you how we stay ahead in a changing technology environment while ensuring that our solutions meet the needs of the market and users. Allow me to invite Mr. Michael Hughes, Product Director of DGPT, to the stage. Michael, Mr. He, has deep professional knowledge and rich practical experience in product innovation and technology iteration. He will share with us the latest technological progress and future development direction of DGPT platform. Please welcome Mr. Michael Hughes with a warm round of applause.
Distinguished guests, partners, and user friends. Hello, everyone. It is a great pleasure to stand here to share with you the technology interaction of the DGPT platform and our planning and outlook for future technology upgrades. As the product director of DGPT, I will discuss with you in depth how we continue to promote development of distributed computing, blockchain integration, intelligent optimization through technological innovation, as well as the design concept and development progress of our new generation of technology architecture. So, why is technology innovation so important? In today's rapidly evolving digital world, technological innovation is the lifeline of any innovation platform, especially at the intersection of AI and blockchain. We're facing unprecedented opportunities and challenges. As we all know, the global demand for computing power is growing at exponential rates, especially with the development of AGI, General Artificial Intelligence. Our user base includes not only large enterprise, scientific research institutions, but also individual users and developers. How to provide efficient, safe, and economical computing power services for each user, while coping with different computing power needs around the world. This puts forward higher requirements for our technical architecture. Therefore, every technological interaction of DGPT is designed to ensure that we are always at the forefront of technological innovation in this rapidly changing market, and to provide the best quality computing power services for global users. The innovation is distributed computing. Evolution of DGPT distributed computing power networks. At present, our distributed computing powered architecture has covered many countries and regions. Our network nodes can not only provide efficient computing power, but also have high fault tolerance and flexibility, and can dynamically adjust the allocation of computing power resources according to the task requirements. In response to the higher computing requirements, DGPT's technical team is further optimizing the network communication protocol to ensure that the efficiency of data synchronization and computational task assignment is always optimal when a large number of nodes are processed in parallel. This is not only improves computer speed, but also reduces network latency, ensuring that seamless computing power is available to users around the world. By continuously optimizing our distributed computer architecture, we are gradually implementing a decentralized global computing power supply network, providing a strong computing power support to more enterprise and developers in the future. Why is blockchain at the core of the DGPT? As the world's leading distributed computing platform, DGPT always regards blockchain technology as core part of the platform. Blockchain provides a reliable, secure, and transparent infrastructure for our computing network, ensuring that the rights of all participants are protected. For computing power providers and users, the application of blockchain can not only improve the transparency of transactions and computing power distribution, but also effectively reduce the cost of trust. Through the execution of smart contracts, we can automatically complete the allocation of computing power resources, payments, and revenues distribution, greatly simplifying the operation process of users. Intelligence optimization, AI-driven resource management in the next technical iteration of the DGPT platform. We will introduce more intelligent optimization algorithms to improve the utilization efficiency of computing power resources. We are developing an AI-driven resource scheduling system that can dynamically adjust the allocation of computing power resources according to the real-time requirements of the task. This means that computing tasks can be more intelligently selected to optimal nodes for processing, thus maximizing efficiency and reducing computational costs. This intelligent scheduling system will be based on machine learning algorithms and analyzing historical data and task requirements, predicting the future computing power requirements, and deploying them in advance. For users, this means a more stable, fast computational experience with a timely response regardless of the complexity of the task. Now let me introduce you to the next generation technology architecture of the DGPT platform. We have spent a lot of time and effort upgrading and optimizing existing systems. In the new technical architecture, we introduce a multi-level distributed computing framework, which makes the management of computing power resources more flexible. Modular design. The new architecture will adopt a modular design, and users can choose different computing power models according to the requirements of different computing tasks. Whether it is AI training tasks, big data analysis, of the execution of blockchain smart contracts, they can be efficiently processed in different modules. Computing power as a service, CaaS. DGPT will launch a new computing power as a service, computer as a service platform. Users can access the required computing power resources directly through our simplified interface without knowing the underlying technical details. This will greatly reduce the threshold of users and further expand our user base. Through these technological innovations, our goal is to make DGPT the most competitive distributed computing platform in the world and change the global computing power network. Next, we will continue to expand the DGPT's global computing power network, especially in the emerging markets and edge computing. We are working with a number of international partners and plan to deploy computing nodes in more regions around the world to further improve our global computing coverage. Research and develop cutting-edge technologies. In addition, we are actively studying more applications of cutting-edge technologies such as quantum computing and new hardware accelerators. These technologies are still in the early stage of development, but we believe they will be a key part of the future computing industry. DGPT's technology research and development team is working with a number of top scientific research institutions to explore the application of quantum computing in distributed computing power networks, and it strives to provide users with more efficient and powerful computing services in the future. Distinguished guests, the technology direction of the DGPT is not only a system upgrade, it represents our deep understanding of the future technology development and a keen insight into the user needs. We always believe that through continuous technological innovation, DGPT can not only provide the best computing power services for users around the world, but also lead the development of the entire distributed computing and blockchain technology. Today, I would like to introduce the technology innovation direction of our platform, the blockchain integration innovation, the new generation technology architecture, and the future research and development route. I hope that through this sharing, we can have a deeper understanding of DGPT's solid foundation in technology and its determination to make continuous progress. Thank you very much for your participation and support. We look forward in the future DGPT will join hands with you to meet more opportunities and challenges in the global computing market. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Michael. Thank you. Okay, distinguished guests, thank you very much for your continuous attention to our press conference today. We have heard in-depth insights from our operation heads, marketing leaders, and product director into how DGPT is constantly driving the frontiers of technology and markets in the global computing ecosystem. In the following session, we are honored to invite an expert with a profound influence in the field of artificial intelligence, who will deeply discuss the core advantages of the DGPT platform and how we can use these advantages to promote the development of the industry from a technical perspective. He used to be an engineer in OpenAI and has rich experience and unique insights on the development and applications of artificial intelligence technology. Needless to say, let's warmly welcome Mr. David Miller to share his technical perspective on the DGPT platform and his predictions on the future technology trends. David, request. Applause, please.
Distinguished guests, dear friends, hello everyone. As a former OpenAI engineer, I'm honored to share with you in-depth analysis of the DGPT platform from a technical perspective. As a frontier company focusing on distributed computing power and blockchain technology, DGPT not only stands at the forefront of the global computing power industry, but also rises rapidly with its unique technological innovation and global competitiveness. Today, I'm going to address the core strengths of the DGPT platform from multiple perspectives and explore why it stands out in the global wave of AI and blockchain technology. The outbreak of global AI computing power demand and the response of DGPT with the rapid development of artificial intelligence, especially the rise of general artificial intelligence, AGI technology, the global demand for computing power has reached an unprecedented height. Just a few years ago, we thought that large-scale AI model training was exclusive to some of the top technology companies. But today, AI companies, research institutions, and even individual developers are in desperate need for massive amounts of computing power. It is estimated that the complexity of AI models will increase by 10,000 times in the next few years. The cost of training a large AI model now could be in the hundreds of millions of dollars, and in the future, that number could reach 10 billion or more. Microsoft Stargate's AI supercomputer project has demonstrated the scale of future computing needs. In this context, DGPT has become a key player to meet these huge computing power demands through an innovative distributed computing architecture, flexible computing power services, and global network of nodes. What we see in DGPT is not just a simple extension of computing power, but a fine scheduling and intelligent optimization of global computing resources. This technological advantage allows DGPT to provide users with a stable, reliable, and scalable computer power support, which is urgently needed by the global AI market. Distributed computing architecture of DGPT, an integrator of global computing power resources. The unique advantages of distributed computing in the platform of DGPT, distributed computing can effectively integrate the massive and idle computing power resources on a global scale to form a highly flexible and scalable network. Through this mode, DGPT not only solves the problem of unbalanced computing power supply, but also realizes the effective cost reduction. A key advantage of distributed computing is the high scalability and fault tolerance. Each node in the DGPT network can actually be regarded as an independent computing unit, whether it's the increase in the number of nodes or the increased complexity of computing tasks. DGPT can efficiently allocate computing work to various nodes in the world through flexible task scheduling. This architecture shows extremely high efficiency in facing large-scale AI training tasks, while ensuring the stability and continuity of computing. Layout of the global node network. At present, the distributed nodes of the DGPT have covered many regions of the world, forming a global computing power network. Every user can become a provider or user of computing power by accessing the DGPT network. This centralized network design allows everyone to participate in it. DGPT also ensures the load balance of nodes through technical means, which makes the use of computing power resources reach the best state and ensures the high efficiency task scheduling. For example, when training a large AI model, DGPT is able to automatically select the optimal nodes for the assignment of computational tasks. This is not only to reduce the network latency, but also ensure the fast task completion. At the same time, DGPT also provides a powerful computing power monitoring tool, and users can track the usage of computing power in real time, so as to conduct more detailed management of computing resources. Technical advantages of DGPT platform. The embodiment of global competitiveness. The global competitiveness of DGPT is reflected in the ability to perfectly combine distributed computing and blockchain technology with intelligent optimization, forming an efficient, transparent, and flexible computing power services platform. In this process, the application of intelligent optimization algorithms is the key not to be ignored. Introduction of the intelligent scheduling system. DGPT further optimizes the utilization efficiency of computing power resources by introducing the AI-driven intelligent scheduling system. This scheduling system is based on the advantage machine learning algorithm, which can be intelligently adjust the allocation of computing power resources according to the real-time requirements of the task. Whether it's the training of large AI models or the daily data processing work, DGPT's intelligent scheduling system can ensure that the task is completed in the shortest time, while minimizing the computational costs. For example, the intelligent scheduling system, or DGPT, can dynamically monitor the computing power states of each node around the world and automatically select the optimal node for task assignment according to the type of computing task, time requirements, geographical location, and other factors. This highly flexible scheduling method greatly improves the efficiency of computing resources and reduces lag delay and energy consumption. Data-driven decisions. In addition to the intelligent scheduling system, DGPT also introduces a data-driven decision-making mechanism to help users more accurately manage and predict computing power requirements by analyzing and predicting historical tasks. The platform can allocate the required computational resources to users in advance, thus reducing computational interruption and resource waste. In the future, with the further development of AI technology, DGPT also plans to introduce more intelligence optimizations focusing into the platform to provide users with more personalized and intelligent computing powered services. The team power behind technological innovation. The experience in OpenAI made me deeply realize that behind a strong technology platform, there is often an excellent team. DGPT technical team is composed of top engineers from all over the world with rich experience in distributed computing, blockchain technology, and AI. Our technology research and development team has always maintained sensitivity to new technologies, actively exploring and applying the latest technological achievements to ensure that the DGPT platform is always at the forefront of the industry. It is precisely because of the unremitting efforts of the technical team that DGPT has able to rise rapidly around the world and occupy a place in the computer-powered services market. Future outlook. Technology iteration and global layout of the DGPT. Looking ahead, the DGPT platform will continue to provide the iterative upgrading of technology and further optimize the distributed company architecture, smart contract execution, efficiency, and the depth of blockchain integration. At the same time, we will also expand our network of computer-powered nodes through the global layout to cover more markets and user groups. With the release of a new generation of computer-powered products, especially the launch of computer-powered notebooks, DGPT will provide more flexible and easy-to-use computer-powered solutions for users around the world. Both enterprise and individual users will be able to easily access the DGPT platform and enjoy the global distributed computing services. Dear friends, DGPT is not only a platform to provide distributed computing power services. It represents a new supply mode for computing power resources in the future. Through technological innovation, DGPT integrates the globally dispersed computing power resource together to form a highly intelligent and transparent and decentralized network.
Distinguished guests, thank you very much for continuing to share this exciting moment with us. Today, we have explored DGPT's operational strategy, marketing plan, product innovations, and technological prospects, demonstrating how we can shape the future of our global computing network. Next, we are very honored to invite an expert with extensive experience in the global technology industry. He once worked as an engineer in Amazon and has deep understanding and practical experience in algorithm integration and optimization. Today, he will share his expertise with us to discuss how to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of AI training through more efficient computing algorithms and technology integration. Please welcome Mr. Richard Harris with warm applause and bring his wonderful speech, Technical Perspective, Algorithm Integration and Optimization. Richard, the stage is yours.
Dear guests, dear friends, good morning. It's a great honor to share with you, as a former Amazon engineer, how to improve the efficiency of AI training through algorithm integration and optimization from a technical perspective. In this era of rapidly changing technology, the scale and complexity of AI models are constantly expanding, leading to a sharp increase in the demand for computing power. With its unique architecture and efficient algorithm integration, the DGPT platform is gradually becoming an important force to meet the needs of a global AI computing power. My speech today will focus on several core topics: the challenges of AI algorithms, the optimization of computing research, the algorithm integration, and innovation solution for the DGPT platform, and the future development direction. Let's discuss these things and understand how DGPT drives the global AI industry through technological innovation. 1. Algorithmic and computational challenge for AI training. With the rapid development of AI technology, especially the application of deep learning and large-scale models, the challenges in the AI training process are increasingly increasing. Whether it's natural language processing, NLP, computer vision, or reinforcement learning. All of these tasks collectively feature massive amounts of data, complex computational models, and the huge need for computing power. Here are a few key challenges. 1. The surge in computational complexity. Today's AI models are not just multi-layer natural networks. They also include various convolutional layers, attention mechanisms, transformer architectures, and more. The computational complexity of each layer is increasing, especially for new generation of large-scale models like GPT-5, where the amount of computation required during training is almost beyond the carrying capacity of traditional architectures. 2. The explosion of data. AI models cannot be trained without large amount of data. Taking the NLP model as an example, models such as GPT-4 or GPT-5 need to process massive text data. The pre-processing, future extraction, and data scheduling in the model training process put forward higher requirements for computing resources. 3. Time cost and energy consumption. Training a large AI model can take weeks or even months and consume a lot of energy. This not only increases the operation costs of enterprises, but also put pressure on the global energy resources. How to improve the efficiency of the algorithm and reduce energy consumption is a key problem faced by the whole AI industry. 2. Improve AI training efficiency through algorithm integration and optimization. To meet these challenges, the integration and optimization of algorithms become the key to improve the efficiency of AI training. no matter when I was at Amazon or now participating in the technical architecture of DGPT platform. I have witnessed how to greatly improve computational efficiency through efficient algorithm design and optimization means. 1. Parallel computing and distributed training. Parallel computing is one of the indispensable techniques in large-scale AI model training. By splitting the AI model into multiple subtasks and computing it simultaneously on multiple processing units, the training time can be greatly shortened. By introducing a distributed training architecture, the DGPT platform realizes the parallel computing among the global nodes. This architecture not only solves the problem of computing power shortage, but also improves the flexibility of computing tasks. For example, traditional AI training tasks might rely on a single or a few data centers, while the distributed architecture of DGPT allows computing tasks to be performed simultaneously on multiple nodes on a global scale, thus greatly improving the training efficiency. 2. Model comprehension and pruning. Another important way to improve the computational efficiency is the comprehension and pruning technology of the model. Model comprehension reduces the computational complexity by reducing the redundant parameters on the model, while ensuring that the performance of the model is not greatly affected. Model pruning optimizes the model structure by removing unimportant neurons or weight connections in the model, thereby reducing the computational burden. In the practice of the DGPT platform, we greatly reduce the training time and energy consumption of the model by combining these techniques. For example, when processing the image recognition task, we use pruning techniques to remove redundant neurons, enabling the model to accelerate the training process without affecting the accuracy. 3. The optimized gradient descent algorithm. Gradient descent algorithm is central in the training of deep learning models. However, traditional gradient descent algorithms are prone to fall into local optimal solution or slow convergence. When processing large-scale datasets, the DGPT platform improves the convergence rate. During gradient descent through improved optimization algorithms, such as Adams, Ernst probes, etc. These optimization algorithms not only reduce the training time, but also improve the stability during training. We also introduce a dynamic learning rate adjustment mechanisms, allowing the training process to automatically adjust the learning rate according to different stages, thus avoiding the problem of overfitting or underfitting. 4. Mixed precision trading. During our time on Amazon, we applied a lot of hybrid precision training techniques, which is another magical weapon to improve the training efficiency of AI models. Hybrid accuracy training greatly reduces the computational complexity by reducing the partial computational accuracy of the model from 32 bits to 16 bits, while maintaining the accuracy and stability of the model. By significantly improving the training speed of the AI model, the DGPT platform integrates the mixed precision training in this computing power service. This technology not only reduces the consumption of computing research, but also reduces the hardware requirements, thus providing more users with efficient and low-cost all-training solution. 3. Algorithm integration and innovate the solution for the DGPT platform. As the world's leading distributed computing platform, DGPT has made a lot of innovation in algorithm integration and optimization, and formed a complete and efficient computing power service system. 1. Distributed computing and intelligent scheduling. The distributed computing architecture of DGPT is at the heart of this algorithm integration,
through the intelligent scheduling system. We allocated computing power resources around the world in the real time, so that computing tasks can be dynamically allocated to the optimal nodes. This process is similar to the Elastic Computing Service, EC2, in Amazon Cloud Computing, but DGPT is more focused on decentralized, distributed resource scheduling. Through this intelligent scheduling, the DGPT platform can automatically select the best computing path according to the requirements of the computing task, the current load of the nodes, the network delay, and the other factors. DGPT provides users with efficient, low-latency computing service from anywhere in the world. 2. Integration the computing power across fields. In addition to AI model training, DGPT also improves the overall efficiency of the platform through the integration of computing powers across fields. We have integrated computing tasks in the multiple files, such as blockchain, nodes verification, graphic rendering, big data analysis, etc. These tasks have different features and different computational requirements, but through intelligent scheduling and algorithm optimization, the DGPT platform can achieve the optimal allocation of computing powers between multiple tasks. This not only improves the utilization rate of computing power resources, but also reduces the idle and waste of research. For users, this means that they can have more flexible and efficient access to computing power resources. Dear friends, the DGPT platform's innovation in algorithm integration and optimization is the embodiment of this core competitiveness through distributed computing, intelligent scheduling, model comprehension, hybrid precision training, and the other technologies. DGPT provides efficiency and flexible computing power support the global AI training task.
Distinguished guests, thank you for witnessing with us today a series of wonderful speeches of DGPT in computing technology and product innovation. From operational strategy to global market expansions, from product evolution to technology optimization, we have jointly explored the future development direction of these important areas. Now, we are coming to today's final speech. I am very honored to introduce a leader who has had a profound impact on our company and the entire technology industry. His vision and leadership lead DGPT from the beginning to becoming the world's leading distributed computing network. Under his leadership, DGPT has not only achieved technological breakthroughs, but also shaped the company's global strategy and future vision. Please welcome Mr. James Anderson, the CEO of DGPT, to reveal the company's long-term goals and future development strategy. James, please welcome to the stage.
Distinguished guests, partners, dear DGPT users, good afternoon. First of all, I would like to thank you for taking time out of your busy schedule to attend today's DGPT-AI launch. This is an exciting moment, not only because we are launching our new product, but also because today we stand at the standing point of a new stage, a new era of DGPT and global distributed computing power. In the coming years, I would like to share with you, visitors, the vision and strategic planning of DGPT and how we can meet the huge wave of global AI development. In the future, through technological innovation and the construction of a distributed computing power platform. This is the future that belongs not only to our DGPT, but also to every individual and enterprise involved in the global computer ecosystem. The historical background of AI and computing power, we are living in an era fast moving forward toward a future dominated by artificial intelligence. The rapid development of AGI, general AI, has become the focus of attention in the global technology industry. Recently, OpenAI introduced two iconic new models, Strawberry Q and the flagship model, GPT-5, bringing the AI capabilities to a new milestone at the L2 level. What does this mean? It means that the AI's intelligence, learning ability, and complexity of handling problems have reached unprecedented heights. At the same time, what is the impetus behind such technological advances? The answer is simple: computing power. Today, we are not just talking about the innovation of AI algorithms. In fact, every breakthrough in an AI model relies on huge computing resources. In the next few years, AI's demand for computing power will explode. According to industry forecasts, the cost of training a top-notch AI model will exceed $100 billion by 2030. This is an unimaginable number, which also indicates the huge demand for computing power behind AI training. DGPT's mission to address the global AI computing power needs in the face of such a huge demand, DGPT's mission is very clear. We will build the world's leading distributed computing power network to help global AI enterprises, research institutions, and developers to obtain the computing power resources they need. Our goal is not only to meet the current needs, but also to lay a solid foundation for the future. AI and computing power are the two cornerstones of the future technology world. And we, DGPT, is at the center of this computing revolution. We firmly believe that who can master and provide efficient computing power services, who will master the core competitiveness of the future, this is at the heart of our DGPT vision. Enable AI development and driving global technological progress through a global distributed computing network. The combination of AI and blockchain, the key to technological innovation. In today's technology world, innovation is no longer just a product upgrade, but also the integration of two or more technologies. We firmly believe that the combination of AI and blockchain will bring unprecedented possibilities to the global technology ecology. First, blockchain brings a new transparency and security to computing power distribution. Through blockchain technology, global computing power transactions will become more efficient and secure, avoiding the single point problem of failure of the traditional centralized computing power platform. The contribution and benefits of each computing power node can be clearly recorded on the chain to ensure that the rights and interests of each contributor are guaranteed. Second, blockchain also provides the infrastructure for the decentralization of computing power. Traditional computing power suppliers usually focus on a few large data centers, but such a model has problems such as wasted resources and complex management. Our distributed computing power network of DGPT breaks decentralized monopoly. Through the idealized computing power architecture, everyone can easily join the global computing power network through our upcoming computing power node box, not only providing computing power, but also getting continuous revenue from it. The launch of the computing power node box is not only a leap in our product technology, but also an important part of our strategic planning. With these portable smart node boxes, contributors to computing power can be directly contributed to the development of AI at home, in the office, and even anywhere in the world. We will provide individuals and businesses around the world with a whole new way to participate in the global AI ecosystem. The construction of the global distributed computing power ecology. So, specifically, how does DGPT build the world's leading distributed computing power ecology? This involves many aspects of the strategic layout. First, we have established highly extended computational power networks globally across multiple continents and regions. Through this distributed architecture, we ensure that computing resources around the world can be efficiently deployed and flexibly applied. This is crucial for the training and computing task of large AI models. Whether you are a research firm in Silicon Valley or a startup in Eastern Europe, our network can support you if you need computing power. Secondly, DGPT not only focuses on the provision of computing power, but also focuses more on how to maximize the use efficiency of computing power. Through AI, algorithms, and big data analysis technology, we can analyze the global computing power demand in real time and allocate resources intelligently to ensure that every place of computing power can be efficiently used. This is intelligent computing power distribution mechanism that allows us to provide high-quality computing power services worldwide, while greatly reducing the waste of resources. Finally, we firmly believe in the power of openness and cooperation. DGPT is not a closed ecosystem of computing power, and we welcome global partners to join our network. Whether you are an AI developer, a hardware provider, or a technology company in another field, we want to work with you to drive the global computing ecosystem. We have deeply cooperated with a number of top AI companies. and will continue to expand this cooperation network in the future. Promote the development of global AI technology. DGPT's vision goes beyond providing computing power. More importantly, we hope to promote the wide application and popularization of AI technology through our efforts. Over the past few years, the pace of AI technology has been amazing, but there are still some bottlenecks in its popularity and application, especially in the acquisition of computing power. We believe that the future of AI technology will be more exclusive and can be provide convenience and value for everyone and every enterprise. To achieve this goal, the popularization of computing power is crucial. This is also an important reason why we launched the Computing Power Node Box product. We hope that through such innovative products, everyone can easily gain access to and provide computing power resources and participate in the wave of global AI development. The future of DGPT, the two-wheel drive of technology and ecology, dear friends, the future of DGPT is not only the future of a company or a platform, but also a part of the global technology ecosystem. We will continue to be user-centered and provide solid computing power support for global AI development through the technological innovation, ecological construction, and global cooperation. We will release more exciting product and technology updates in the coming time. Our technical team is already actively developing the next generation of distributed computing products, and we will continue to expand our global market presence through the two-wheel drive of technology and ecology. We are confident that we will become the global leader in AI computing power ecology in the next few years. Key planning, DGPT plans to expand computing power services to PC services in the future and provide distributed computing power support by accessing more user devices. This will provide more opportunities for individual users to participate in the computing power network, allowing them to easily share in the computing resources and gain revenue through this initiative. We hope to build a larger and more diversified computing power network and promote the development of the global computing power sharing ecosystem. To token planning. DGPT token will be launched in January 2025. DGPT token is the platform coin of DGPT computing platform. DGPT token ball will be the general token in the leading distributed computing industry. Promote the combination of AI and blockchain in an important part of DGPT ecosystem. The core purpose of the token is to motivate the community. Core contributions will be airdropped through token incentives. DGPT encourages more users to actively participate in ecological construction, contribute computing power, or participate in community activities to promote the virtuous cycle and development of the entire ecosystem. Tokens will be used in the settlement and incentive mechanism with the platform. Tokens will become an important tool for computing power purchase, revenue distribution, and community governance. Users can enjoy platform privileges, participate in decision-making, voting, and receive rewards by holding tokens. In addition, it is also used for platform trading, fax reduction, and other purposes. Through the token economy, we will build a closer ecosystem that inspires users to continuously provide computing power and lay the foundation for the long-term development of the project. At the Singapore conference in December, DGPT will officially launch its new product, the Computing Power Notebox. The product is designed to provide home and business users with a simple and convenient way to participate in computing power, supporting them to join the distributed computing power network. The conference will introduce the technical features, application, scenarios, and user experience of the notebox in detail and show its powerful computing power performance on site. With this product, DGPT hopes to further reduce the entry threshold for distributed computing, expand the scale of participants, and inject more vitality into the global computer power network. Route chart 2021-2022, June 2023 product and architecture stress testing. In August 2023, the DGPT mobile terminal product was launched. In April 2024, DGPT distributed computing power development in 30 countries around the world. In July 2024, the DGPT distributed underlying architecture was upgraded and cooperated with Google DeepMind to optimize the computing power efficiency of the distributing architecture. In August 2024, DGPT Global Distributed Mobile Terminal Computing Equipment reached 800,000 units and started the Supercomputing Center section. In December 2024, the PC side product DGPT Box will be launched soon. In January to February 2025, the launch of the company's ecological tokens. Community thanks. DGPT has been developed so far with the strong support of the community, with important thanks to all the outstanding contributors. Our global regional manager, they are the Alexia Jones, Oliver, Bella, Anastasia, Angela Smith, Dinah Jones, Serena, Bella Brown, Shirley, Lawrence Mark, Edmund Shaw, Winfred, Philemon. The DGPT can be today's achievement. They have significant contributions. Finally, thank you again for coming. DGPT's vision is not only to provide the world's leading computing power services, but also to benefit everyone in the world from it through our technology and innovation. We will continue to work hard, move forward, and work with global partners to embrace a bright future of AI and computing power. Thank you.
Great. Distinguished guests, thank you very much for continuing to share this inspiring moment with us. Today, we have discussed DGPT's strategy, technology, and marketing from multiple perspectives. Each speaker tells us how DGPT drives technological innovation and excellence in the global computing network. Now, we are heading to another climax of today's meeting. The next speaker will not only have deep insight in product development, but also have rich experience in driving forward and practical technology. He will give us an insight into DGPT's upcoming technology products and innovation directions, which are key factors in driving the company to continue to lead the market. Please welcome Mr. Michael Hughes, the Product Director of DGPT, with warm applause. Michael, looking forward.
Distinguished guests, partners, and friends from the media, good morning. Today is a day full of anticipation and excitement. As the Product Director, I'm very honored to stand here to witness the official release of another important technical milestone of the DGPT platform, the Computing Power Notebox ComputeX. Since we announced the development of this innovative product, it has attracted extensive attention in the industry. Today, this new Computing Power Notebox ComputeX will unveil the mystery for you and lead you into a new era of computing. We will take you to get a deeper understanding of the power performance, technical parameters, and a wide range of application scenarios through live presentations, technical explanations, and large screen displays. Now, please be ready for this audiovisual fest. Before we introduce the product in depth, give a brief review of the DGPT platform's journey to technology development. DGPT has been committed to providing distributed computing and efficient computing power services to global users, especially in AI training, blockchain computing, and other fields have accumulated profound technical strength. The Computing Power Notebox we'll release today is the crystallization of this technical experience. We know that more and more individual users, developers, and enterprise customers want to be able to deploy powerful computing nodes in their environments, but due to the hardware complexity, technical barriers, and high cost, therefore the Computing Power Notebox arises. It is originally designed to allow more users to easily participate in the global distributed computing power network and enjoy the advanced computing technology. Let's look at the big screen. Now, ComputeX is officially unveiled. Please allow me to introduce the uniqueness of this product in detail. Next, I will show you the technical parameters and performance data of the Computing Power Notebox through the big screen. We have carefully designed this product to give it excellent computing power, stable performance, and extremely high user friendliness. The Computing Power Notebox is described in detail. The Computing Power Notebox, launched by DGPT, is a high-performance hardware device especially designed specifically for AI model training and distributed computing, which can provide users with powerful computing power support. It is a one-stop computing power solution for individual users and a small and medium-sized enterprise. It will greatly simplify the computing power acquisition process, allowing every user to easily participate in the computer ecosystem of AI and blockchain. GPU. With an NVIDIA A40 graphics card, this is a high-performance GPU optimized specifically for AI and data centers. Its single precision floating point computing capability reaches 29.9 teraflops, which can quickly process a large amount of data and greatly accelerate AI training and computing tasks. CUDA core. Support max CUDA 11.8 using CUDA technology to effectively improve the efficiency of parallel computing, and it's suitable for image processing, neural network reasoning, and other deep learning tasks. CPU. With a powerful multi-core processor with 32 cores, 128 threads, it ensures efficient operation even in the face of high concurrent computing requirements. Memory. With 64 gigabytes or 258 gigabytes memory configuration to meet the needs of users for high bandwidth and low latency in big data operation and model training, providing fast access and processing capacity. Hard disk. AMI virtual hard disk solution to provide users with large capacity storage space, support efficient reading and written operations, suitable for the need for fast data storage and extraction scenarios. The computing power node box also has excellent network performance. Upload rate 977 Mbps, download rate 869 Mbps. This ensures that users can quickly and smoothly upload and download data around the world, especially when frequent exchange of training data and model updates are required. Port. Provide 499 ports and support the connection and communications of multiple devices, helping users to easily achieve resource sharing and task collaboration in a complex network environment application scenarios. AI model training. ComputeX provides an ideal computing power resource for AI model training. Whether it is image recognition, natural language processing, or autonomous driving algorithms, it can quickly iterate the model through the device and improve the efficiency of AI training. Blockchain node operation. ComputeX can be used as the node equipment of the blockchain network, providing stable and efficient computing resources for the decentralized network and ensuring the security and stability of transaction and data storage. Distributed computing. With ComputeX, users can participate in a global distributed computing network, contribute idle computing power, and help complete complex computing tasks while receiving rewards. Users experience UE. ComputeX focuses on users' experience and has a convenient plug and play function. Users can simply install and set up their devices to access the DGPT computing network. Through the intuitive management interface, users can monitor the device's status, computing power usage, and revenue reports in real time. High-performance computing. Strong computing power based on NVIDIA A40, suitable for AI training, blockchain nodes, and other high-density computing tasks. Network support. Excellent upload and download rates, making data transmission more efficient, ensuring that users can always deliver tasks at the fastest speed. Modular design. ComputeX adopts flexible modular design. Users can choose different configurations according to their needs, which is suitable for individual, enterprise, and large computing tasks. Global access. ComputeX can seamlessly connect with DGPT's global distributed computing network, and users can enjoy high-performance computing resources anywhere. High efficiency and energy saving. ComputeX, while providing top computing power, it also has excellent energy efficiency management, reducing energy consumption and saving operating costs of users. Equipped with the latest generation of high-performance processors, the ComputeX can easily handle a variety of computing tasks, especially in high-load tasks such as AI training and blockchain verification. The built-in computing power unit is in the box can perform trillions of times of calculations per second, giving users computing powers compatible to large data centers in their local environments. Distributed computing support. ComputeX is not only an independent computing device, but also a part of a global distributed computing network. Through the intelligent scheduling system of the DGPT platform, users can connect their nodes and other nodes around the world and participate in a variety of distributed computing tasks, whether it is AI model training, data analysis, or blockchain node verification, all tasks can be seamlessly connected. Energy saving and efficient design. ComputeX not only pursues powerful computing power performance, but also adopts advanced energy saving design. Thanks for the efficient power management system, the energy consumption of the box is reduced by more than 30% that of the traditional computing equipment, and the heat dissipation system has been carefully designed to ensure that the equipment still maintains stable operations under high loads. Intelligent operation and maintenance and monitoring. ComputeX supports remote management and real-time monitoring. Through the supporting software of DGPT platform, users can check their running status, temperature, load status, and network connection status of the node at any time. If any fault is encountered, the system will automatically conduct as an intelligent diagnosis and provide solution. ComputeX supports a variety of connect options, including wireless, and it's compatible with a variety of mainstream operating systems and development environments. Users can easily integrate into an existing computing environment without a complex configuration. Modular extension design. ComputeX supports modular extensions so that users can add storage modules and acceleration models according to their own needs, so as to further improve computing powers or increase data processing power. In the future, we will also launch more customized models to meet the needs of users in different fields. Live demonstration. In order to give you more intuitive understanding of the actual application of ComputeX, I will demonstrate the specific features of the product live and show off its applications in different scenarios. AI training scenario. ComputeX can be easily competent for large-scale AI model training tasks. On the big screen, you will see us deploy a deep learning model to the computational power node box and train the model in real time. During the training process, the load situation of the computing power node box and the data processing speed will be displayed on the screen. As you can see, it's completed an AI training task that takes several hours at an amazing speed. Another major application scenario of distributed data processing is big data processing. For companies that need to process huge amount of data, ComputeX is a very cost-effective solution. We will present a real section of the distributed data processing task, where ComputeX will extract data from multiple data sources and analyze, compute, and archive. On the screen, you can see the processing speed and the accuracy of the data analysis, all thanks to our optimized distributed computing framework. Future development and application prospects. The ComputeX launch is just the beginning. In the future, we plan to launch more supporting services and upgrade models to further expand in application scenarios, especially in AI, blockchain, distributed storage, and other fields. We will cooperate with more industry partners to jointly promote technological innovation and lending. In addition, ComputeX provides individual users and small businesses with opportunities to participate in the global computing market. With the support of the DGPT platform, users can not only contribute their computing power, but also benefit from it. This is a vision of the future of a decentralized computing ecology, where everyone can participate and everyone can benefit. Ladies and gentlemen, the ComputeX we officially released today is not only a product, but also a solid step forward for DGPT in the field of distributed computing. It represents our relentless pursuit of technological innovation and commitment to providing more efficient and flexible computing services for users around the world. Whether you are a developer, a business user, or an individual enthusiast, we will believe that Computing Power Node Box will bring you an unprecedented computing experience. We look forward to working with you to enter a new era of computing power driven together. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Michael. Distinguished guest, today we have discussed many key aspects of DGPT, including our operational strategy, marketing, product innovation, and technology development. These are all from our company perspective on how we continue to drive innovation and excellence in global computing power. However, to truly understand the impact and success of DGPT, nothing is more direct and powerful than listening to our users' personal experience. Next, we have the honor to invite a user who has been using and supporting the DGPT platform from a long time. She will share her use experience and how our services and products have had a positive impact in practice. Please welcome Ms. Isabella Scott to the stage with warm applause. Isabella not only is a loyal member of our audience, but also an active contributor in the community. Her story will bring us a lot of inspiration. Isabella, please, we're welcome.
Hello everyone, I am a representative of the all platform users. It is a great honor to be here to share my experience with you today. As a DGPT user, I have been working on this platform for 2 years. Looking back on this period, I first want to emphasize the stability of the platform and the quality of service. In the past 2 years, I have experienced many market fluctuations, especially when the demand for computing power has surged, and I was deeply impressed by the performance of the DGPT platform. The system almost has no downtime phenomenon. The calculation task can be successfully completed to ensure the smooth progress of my work. This stability is one of the main reasons why I choose and continue to use the DGPT. In terms of the user service, the DGPT team always maintains rapid response and professional support, no matter what technical problems I encounter. The customer service team can always answer them in time and provide solutions. I remember once I encountered some small difficulties in the process of use. The response speed of the customer service surprised me. They not only quickly helped me to solve the problem, but also patiently guide me on how to avoid similar problems. This considerate service made me feel valued and further enhanced my trust in the platform. In the past 2 years, I have witnessed the continuous innovation and iteration of DGPT. Every new product launch is filled with anticipation, especially in today's computing power notebooks. Its high performance and user-friendly design fills me with expectations for use. I believe this product will provide us users with a better computing power experience and can help us use resources more efficiently in our work. Overall, the DGPT platform has become an integral part of my work. In the future, I look forward to growing together with you and sharing more experience and achievements. Thank you for your listening.
Distinguished guests, thank you very much for continuing to share this exciting day with us. Today, we have discussed the multi-oriented development and innovation of DGPT from different perspectives. We listened to the insights from company leaders and experienced users and learned about the profound impact of DGPT in the global computing power field. Now, let's look at the influence of DGPT from a new perspective, that is the first users of our platform. The experience of these new users is critical to us as their fresh perspective and feedback help us continually optimize and refine our services. Allow me to introduce Ms. Harper Wilson, a user who has only recently started using the DGPT platform. She will share her first experience and show us how DGPT caters to the needs and expectations of new users in practical applications. Please welcome Harper to the stage to share her story.
Hello everyone, I am the first user who got to know the DGPT platform in today's event. I am very excited to share my initial impression and experience here. Before participating in this press conference, my understanding of DGPT mainly came from friends' recommendation and some industry information. In my eyes, DGPT is not only a platform to provide computing power services, but also a pioneer force in promoting the combination of AI and blockchain. I have heard that ComputeX will be another innovation of this platform, which will not only improve the efficiency of computing power utilization, but also significantly lower the threshold for ordinary users to participate. As a first-time user in this field, I am deeply excited because it means that I can have easier access to the world of AI technology and distributed computing. After hearing the detailed introduction of ComputeX, I feel full of expectation. It not only has powerful performance, but also enables novice users to quickly be simplifying the operation process. This is the product I've been looking for, especially after learning how it can help average users fit into the ecosystem, and I can't wait to try it. I hope that through the DGPT platform, I can not only improve my skills, but also share my experience and learn together with other users. In the future, I hope to have more opportunities to communicate with you and jointly explore the infinite possibilities of AI. Thank you.
Thank you. That was great. Thank you. Okay. Distinguished guests, today we have an in-depth understanding of DGPT's innovative technologies and products from many aspects, and heard valuable insights from company leaders and users. These insights not only demonstrate our technical strength and market reach, but also highlight our strong connection with our user community. At DGPT, we believe in the power of the community. Not only do community members use and support our products, they are also an important force driving our innovation and improvement. Next, we will hear voices from a community member who will share her experiences and feelings as part of the DGPT community. Please welcome Mr. Liam Anderson to the stage with warm applause. Liam is an active member of our community, and his story will help us better understand how the community affects our business and product development. Liam, request, please.
Hi everyone, I am a community member of DGPT. I feel very honored to be here to share my experience. In the past few months, I have been involved in many community activities, for which I have realized the support and importance of DGPT for community development. Whether it's online technology seminars, industry sharing sessions, or offline gatherings, the DGPT team always encourages us to participate, providing rich resources and support. As a member of the community, I had the honor to meet many like-minded friends. We share technical experience and discuss industry trends. And this interaction benefits me a lot from learning, especially with the support of the community. I participated in some projects and got a lot of practical experience, which I struggled to get when acting alone. Today, I am also particularly looking forward to the release of ComputeX. I believe this product will further promote the development of the community, provide us with better computing power support, and help us to achieve greater achievements in our respective fields. The innovative spirit of DGPT inspires each of us, and I look forward to growing together with you on the platform and promoting the progress of technology together. Thank you for your listening, and I look forward to seeing you again in the future. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Liam. That was awesome. Thank you. Okay, great. Distinguished guest, thank you for your continuous attention to our press conference today. As we learn about the technological innovations and user impact of DGPT, we hear from multiple perspectives, from experienced users to members of the community. Every sound is the key to our continuing progress. Now, we will explore the DGPT from another very important perspective, the new users who have just joined our big family. The new user experience is critical to our understanding of how to better meet market demand. Their first impressions and feedback help us assess the intuition and entry friendliness of our products. Please welcome Mr. Liam Johnson with warm applause. He will share his initial experience as a new user of DGPT. Liam Insights will provide us with valuable data to help us continuously optimize our access, processes, and user interface. Liam, request please.
Hello everyone, I am a novice user. DGPT platform, just an entry, often called small white. I am very excited to be here sharing my feelings with you today. As someone curious about computing power and AI technology, I've been looking for tools and platforms to get started easily. Today's press conference made me full of curiosity and expectations for the computing-powered notebox ComputeX. Through the introduction of the technical director, I learned about the design concept and function of this product. It is not only powerful, but also easy to use, which is very suitable for new users like me. I really appreciate the DGPT's opportunity for ordinary users to get more easily involved in the field of distributed computing and AI. In particular, ComputeX will greatly reduce the threshold of our participation and help us quickly understand and use AI technology. I look forward to using this product to get a deeper understanding of how distributed computing works and to make more like-minded friends in the process. I believe that with my continuous learning and exploration, I can realize my value on this platform and share my growth experience with everyone. Thank you very much for listening and look forward to making common progress with you in the future communication. Thank you.
Thank you. Distinguished guests, our DGPT-AI new product concept release and a strategic plan presentation meeting is coming to an end. Today, we witnessed DGPT in technology innovation, marketing strategy, product development, and community interaction. We thank each speaker for their wonderful presentation and all participants for their enthusiastic participation and valuable feedback. Through today's communication, we not only demonstrate the latest achievement of future planning of DGPT, but also deepen our connection with global users and partners. We hope that this conference provides valuable insights and inspires expectations for the possibilities of a future technology. Here, on behalf of the DGPT team, I would like to express my sincere thanks to all of you for coming. We look forward to continuing to work with you to jointly promote the development of the global computing power network. Please keep an eye on our progress and participate in our future activities. Goodbye.